Now, if for some reason you can't find the layout you're looking for, you can actually create it yourself using Shopify's new AI block generator. Let's click on Add Section, and then all the way at the top, let's click on Generate right here. Then we would type in a prompt describing what type of layout we want Shopify to create. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the prompt in here, and then click on this arrow. And then we have to give Shopify some time to code this new section. And there we go. After just a few seconds, Shopify has created a custom section based on the prompt that we have typed in here. So here we have this image I asked for on the left, and then the text I asked for on the right. And we also get the options to customize this section here on the right side, just as we would any other sections on our store. So let me first add a picture by dragging it in here, and then it will be displayed here once it's uploaded. Now this looks okay, but I actually want to be able to have the image fill the frame based on that initial layout. And I don't have the option here right now. So what I'm gonna do is go back to this prompts box here at the top and tell Shopify to add a feature that lets me change the image style to fill frame. And then let's see if Shopify is able to handle that request. Okay, so now after about 30 seconds, we get the new option here. Under image style, we can actually change from fit image to fill frame. So now when I upload this image here, I can actually go ahead and click on fill frame. And I think that looks a lot better.